Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're having trouble with your Sony Bravia TV and need to reset it, you're in the right place. Whether it's acting slow, glitching, or you want a fresh start, I'll guide you step by step to reset your TV. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding reset options. There are two types of resets for your Sony Bravia TV. Soft reset, a quick reboot that doesn't erase your settings. Factory reset, this erases all your data and returns the TV to its original settings. Step 2. Performing a soft reset. Let's start with the soft reset. Follow these steps. Press and hold the power button on your remote for about 5 seconds. Wait as the TV powers off and restarts automatically. This method resolves most minor glitches without losing any saved data. Step 3. Performing a factory reset using the settings menu. Now, if the problem persists, it's time for a factory reset. Here's how. Press the home button on your remote. Go to settings greater than system or device preferences greater than reset. Select factory data reset and follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your PIN. If prompted, default is usually 00000. Confirm the reset. Remember, this will erase all your personal settings, apps, and data. Be sure to back up anything important before proceeding. Step hard reset. If your TV is unresponsive, you can perform a hard reset. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Press and hold both the power and volume down buttons on the TV panel. While holding the buttons, plug the TV back in. Continue holding until the TV enters recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset. Conclusion. And that's it. Your Sony Bravia TV should now be reset and running smoothly. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.